What's going on, everyone? Today we are looking at a 2022 Kia Carnival, and we're going to replace the remote batteries. The first thing we're going to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote here. If you look right here, this is the button that releases it. I'm just going to push that and pull out the emergency key. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to split the remote open, and I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver to do that. I'm going to stick it in this slot that we have here. Give it a little twist, and hear the thing crack open. And then here's the battery here. Just gonna take our flathead screwdriver. Just be kind of careful that you don't touch the circuit board. Just slide this battery out of here. Okay. We get the new battery, and I'll show you what size the remote takes. The remote takes a CR2032, and notice that this one has a positive sign here. It's gonna be facing out. There's a positive sign right here. We just slide this guy back in here. Okay, now if you need a battery, there's gonna be a link in the description box. It takes you to Amazon for some batteries. They're like $1, so if you need one, take a look at that. Now we just get the cover, and we're just gonna just start at the top, work our way down, just snap it back together, and get our emergency key and slide it back in. And if it goes in nice and easy, we're all done. Well, hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you like and subscribe.